Hi, third graders. This is Miss Drusay. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying healthy. I'm going to show you how to do some online learning. So, starting April 13th, Monday, we are going to start distance learning. Your teachers and I will post this on Class Dojo for you, and I'm just going to show you how we're going to do some online school until the end of the school year. So starting with Google, google.com, I wanted to show you this page first. So over here you can see it says sign in. So that means you're not signed in yet. Once you are signed in, you'll see that it'll show your letter for your name. So let's start out first by going to darnellcharterschool.org. darnellcharter.org. darnellcharter.org. So right away it just tells you that the school is closed due to COVID-19. The first thing you're going to do is go to Students and then Students Home. After you get there, you'll see it says Clever Portal. This is very important, okay? When you click on Clever Portal, this is how you're going to do online learning. Make sure you know your student ID number. If you don't know your student ID number, make sure to contact your teacher. It's the number that you use to sign into iReady. You'll see I'm logged into myself, so I'm going to click Log Out. Okay. This is the page that will show up once you click on Clever. First thing you need to do is click on Login with Google. I have different accounts here, so I'm going to click on Use Another Account just for today's video. Make sure you type in your ID number, and then you click Shift 2 on your keyboard to get the @ symbol. Type darnellstudents.net. Make sure that there are no spaces, no capitals, and make sure you have an S right here. Okay, click Next. Your password will be the same number, but 2 times. So 8. Let me show you. 05 010. That's 1 time, but your password is twice. 805 010. Click Next. Now, if you are in Miss Drusay's class, it's going to look like this. You'll see it says Teacher Pages. Right now, Miss De Leon has a page and Miss Drusay has a page. If you are in Mr. Corona's class, Miss McKenna's class, or Miss Rector's class, it'll say your teacher's name right here. You can see that my name is here, so that means I've logged in. I did get permission from Jaden and his family to do this, so thank you. Let's click on your teacher's page. Once you get there, you should see a Google Classroom icon. Click on the Google Classroom icon. If you already know how to get on Google Classroom, do whatever you need to do to get there, but this is one way to show you how to do it. So this student has Art 3rd grade, Miss Drusay's class, Miss Eves from 2nd grade, and Miss Green from 2nd grade. If you want to delete that, you can. Just click right here, click Unenroll. But for today, we're not going to worry about that. So we are going to add a new classroom. Everyone, you're going to click Join Class with the plus sign. The class code is SINL7XF. You will have to click Join, and it says it's joining. And this is where all of you will turn in your online learning documents. This will get you onto Darnell 3rd grade trimester 3 online learning Google Classroom. So we're no longer going to do Miss Drusay's Google Classroom or Miss McKenna's or Mr. Corona's or Miss Rector's. We're going to have one 3rd grade Google Classroom, and so far there's only one assignment. So make sure you click on the assignment right here and then click again. Oh, my internet was slow. Sorry about that. Okay, so click here. You click on it, you'll see April 13th through 17th, third grade distance learning soft launch, and then it says your work. So don't turn it in yet because you haven't done it yet. So click on it. All of you should have your name and your assignment right here. Then you'll see third grade distance learning instruction soft launch. Work must be completed and submitted by April 17th. So this is what you need to do this week. We're just going to test out how distance learning is going to work. The assignments below are mostly having students get comfortable with this format and how to access it. So what you're going to do is read each box description and click on the links below. When you finish all the activities, please submit your assignment. So everybody, once you get to this page right here, this Google Doc, this is where you're going to have all your assignments. So everything that we want to teach you will be here. And then you have to answer the questions within the document. And then when you're done, you'll click Turn In up here. So this has to be done by Friday. So you have Monday through Friday to work on this. We have some steps to do here. So first you have to go to Benchmarks on Clever. Here's a video on how to do that. On the assignments, click on Unit 5 ebook. Once you have access to the ebook, play around with the read aloud tools, etc. to get yourself comfortable with using it. Then it says, answer the questions. Were you able to access the benchmarks assignments? Here, you can click right there right after the question mark and say yes or no. And if you want to add any more details to that, you can. Then you scroll down, watch this video, and then here's your assignment. Would you like to use an old rotary phone or your current cell phone we use today? Give 2 reasons. So you would start your paragraph here. Make sure that when you click your mouse, it goes down here, okay? And then just start typing. I would like to use, and then just keep typing. Okay, these are just an example. This is just an example. Go ahead and do language review. So it tells you watch the video right here. Go to IXL and start homophones, BB1, BB2, BB3. So you'll see that on IXL. And all your teachers can see if you're doing it or not. Here we go. Were you able to access IXL? You say yes or no. Do you have any problems? Here's math. Answer your questions here. And then make sure to work on iReady. Make sure you do 60 minutes by Friday. So 60 minutes in math and 60 minutes in reading. And then we'll give you a new assignment every Monday. So this is the soft launch starting this week. Don't worry if you're having a hard time, if you don't have a computer, if you don't have internet. Just do what you can. We're here to help you. And please reach out to your teacher if you need anything else.